Va ora in onda in diretta dall'Inghilterra il Grande Calcio Inglese, un programma a cura di Renato Scanu con la collaborazione della redazione giornalistica sportiva Lega Calcio Inglese e main sponsor.
This world is not meant for you. Run, boy, run. They're trying to catch you. Run, boy, run. Running is a victory. Run, boy, run. Beauty lies behind us.
It is simply scintillating from Manchester City. They are just relentless. They are just remarkable. Wonderful to watch.
They're dying to stop you. Run, boy, run. This race is a prophecy. Run, boy, run. Break out from society. Oh, is another day.
Powering through. Left footed. What a strike! Kevin De Bruyne once again, and the breakthrough arrives.
It's time to run. It's time to run. To run, boy, run. The secret inside of you. Run, boy, run. This race is a prophecy. Run, boy, run. And disappear in the trees.
We are watching something special. We are in the presence of greatness. We are watching Premier League history unfold before our very eyes.
Oh, is another day, hey. You won't have to hide away, yeah. You'll be a man.